Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This video for the students of class 3B, and in this video we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is forms of matter. So before starting this chapter we should have to know about natural things and man-made things. Natural things are rocks, mountains, plants, animals, human beings, trees, etc. And man-made things, which is made by the man, such as this mobile phone, this fan, this bed. I am sitting on a chair. This is also man-made things. But there is some few common characteristics. First one, in common it has a mass, 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 and another term is it occupies a space. So you have to know about what is mass. Suppose this is a scale. When you pick up the scale, you can feel it is light object. When you pick up this rock, this is a rock, you can feel it is slightly heavier than this one. When you pick up a chair, you can feel that it is more heavier than this one. So you can feel it is light object and you can identify it is heavy object. Clear? So mass means this is a quantity that tells us about which one is light object and which one is heavy object. Okay, so they are called mass. Okay, now if you put into my hand, so it occupies a space. If I put this rock in my hand, this is also occupies a space. I am sitting on a chair, so I am occupying a space. Okay, a bed is behind of me, so it is occupying a space. Okay, so all the objects, say they are either man-made things or natural things. They are all have masses, and they all are occupying some spaces, and they are called matter. Okay, so what is the definition of the matter? Matter means anything that has mass and occupies space. So it is called matter. So this is a matter and its name is scale. This is a matter, this is rock. This is a matter, this is calculator. I am the human being, I am also matter. This fan is also matter, this bed is also matter. I am sitting on a chair, this is also matter. So they are all the matters. Okay, so you have already familiar with mass and they are all occupying space. Now we are going to discuss about forms of matter. That is the main part of this chapter, forms of matter. Okay, forms of matter means this matter exists obviously, and you can easily identify which one is solid, which one is liquid, and which one is gas. So we can classify this matter into three groups. They are at first solid, then liquid, then gas. Okay, but today in this video we will discuss about only the properties of solid and liquid. Did you understand? Okay. Now, what is solid? Solid means, obviously this is a matter, solid matter. So matter which is solid, it means it occupies a space and it has a definite shape. This one is rock, okay, or you can say this is a paperweight. You can check, this is a definite shape, and this shape is a 3D object, obviously, and this plane is rectangular form. This plane is also the rectangular form, okay. So it has a definite shape. This is calculator. This is solid because it is a definite shape, okay. This one, scale, this is also solid shape, okay. I am using my phone. This is also a definite shape, okay. Definite shape, it has definite shape. You know, in your book, that sentence, that is a matter is made up of some small particles. You know, these small particles are known as molecule. All the matters are made up of some small particles. They are molecules. For the solids, the all moleculars or attracts each other very strongly, okay. They are arranged. So what I said, in the solid, all the molecules are tightly packed or tightly attached, okay. They have a strong attraction, okay, for the solid. So another characteristics, and you know, it doesn't flow, okay. There is no difference, no space. There are no space between two molecules because they are packed strongly. They are packed each other, okay. They are attracted very strongly. They have no shape. They have definite shape, but there are no space between the molecules. So they are known as solid. You know, it does not change its shape. It doesn't change its shape, and it occupies the same amount of space wherever you put it. If I put this scale in my hand, so its space, it occupies a space. This amount of space it occupies. So if I put into another space, so it also occupies the same space because its formation is not changed. That's why it is called solid. So wherever I put it, it occupies the same space, okay. Now the next portion, the shape or size of a solid can only be changed when it is broken or cut by applying force. So if I break this scale, so obviously its shape will be changed. So this is very lengthy. So when it is broken, so this lengthy portion will be broken. So it will be more smaller than this. So that means if it is broken, or if I cut it into some, if I cut it, then it will be divided into some few parts, okay. So we can change the shape of this matter, solid, by applying force, okay. Now solid substance don't flow. Why don't flow? Because they attract the molecules of this matter, solid. They are attract strongly. They are attracted each other very strongly. That's why they don't flow. Okay. Some solids are hard, and while some are soft. So this one soft, but if I put this one, so this one will be very hard. Okay. So some solid shapes are very hard and some solid shapes are very soft, such as plastic bottle, wood, clothes, paper, and some examples of soft solids. Okay. Hard solids can't be bent easily. Some solids can't be bent easily. So if you have a iron rod, you can bend it, but you have to force, you have to apply the strong force, so it can't be bent easily. The shape of the hard solids does not change when pressed hard and when moved from one place to another. I said it occupies the same space whenever it is put into the any place. It occupies the same space. Now the next portion, that is liquid. Okay. For the solid it has a definite shape, but for the liquid it has no definite shape. Suppose I am drinking a cup of tea. You can check that this tea has no definite shape, because it is filled with this cup is filled with this tea. But if I put this tea in another container, then its shape will be the shape of this liquid will be that container, the same as that of container. Okay. So you can check, this is a bottle, you can check it is filled with water, and this is another bottle. Okay, this is also filled with water, but you can check this bottle is shape is not similar as this one. But you can check the upper level of this, or the surface area, this is the surface area of this liquid. You can check this is circular, but it is square form. You know, circular means circle form, it forms a circle, and this water, it forms a square. So wherever we put this water, so it takes the shape, the same it takes the shape of this container. Okay. So that is the main characteristics of the liquid. And you know, if I say about molecule of this liquid, the molecules are attracted each other definitely, but their attraction is lesser than the solid. Okay. Their attraction is much lesser than the solid. That's why they can flow. Okay. Okay. Now I said liquid does not have any shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are poured. Yes, I saw you the two bottles. Liquids flow easily. I said about this because their attraction force of this liquid, the attraction force of the molecules are much lesser than the solids. For the solids, they are tightly packed, but in this liquid, they are not tightly packed. There are some gap between the molecules. That means they are attracted each other, but not strongly. A liquid can be poured and spilled, while a solid can't. Yes. Some examples of liquids are water, milk, juice, etc. Okay, I think you have understood all the things I have talked about the examples, so different types of solids and different types of liquids. And please try to understand the properties of the liquid and solid. Try to differentiate, and obviously keep learning, okay, with these things. So that's all about today, students. We will meet again with new topic, the properties of gas and other topic. So thank you, bye.